Welcome to your intention meditation on loving, kindness, and compassion. May I be safe. May I be healthy. May I be strong. Thank you for allowing me into your practice today. Let's begin by sitting in a comfortable position, whether that's in a chair, on a cushion, or lying down. See if you can shift around to become that much more comfortable. Let the space below you hold you. Take a few deep breaths. Take the air in through your nose, into your lungs, and then out of your mouth. Let's do this for a few moments on your own to ground you in your practice. Now, no longer try to control your breath, just breathe naturally. As you continue to breathe, shift your mindfulness from your breath to your heart. Think about your heart and say to yourself, may I be safe, may I be healthy, may I be strong. Allow any thoughts you may experience to come through, and then let that thought go as you repeat to yourself, may I be safe, may I be healthy, may I be strong. Breathing in and out very naturally. Think about a loved one, someone who makes you smile, someone who brings you peace. Call that person into your space. Feel the energy you feel when they're in front of you. Visualize touching this person with your words. May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you be strong. Be in this moment with them. Move your awareness now to someone you see often, but do not necessarily know on a personal level. Maybe this is a neighbor you pass on a walk, the store clerk where you often shop, the person you buy your coffee from. Direct some loving kindness and compassion to them. May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you be strong. As you repeat these words, feel the joy that the other person may feel, knowing that you're sending them For a few moments, come back to your breath, breathing naturally, releasing any judgment you may be feeling. Repeating to yourself, may I be safe, may I be healthy, may I be strong. Allow your awareness to rest on someone in your life who may be causing you some emotions that feel difficult. A friend or family member you're in conflict with. Your boss or coworker who might be giving you a hard time. Maybe this person is even yourself. Send this person a message for healthier and stronger communication. Send this person loving kindness and compassion. May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you be strong. This might feel difficult. Your feelings of compassion for this person may waver. You may feel dishonest. Take a few moments to breathe. Let go. Visualize a weight coming off your shoulders as you say to this person, may you be safe, may you be healthy, may you be strong. Be in this moment. Connect to your source. Send this loving compassion out as far as you can stretch your energy field. Send this compassion to your neighbors near and far, to the ones you know and the ones you do not know. May they be safe, may they be healthy, may they be strong. Can you send this compassion further, or maybe bring it in closer to your city, your state, the birds outside your window? May they be safe, may they be healthy, may they be strong. Begin to come back now. Feel the space that you're in, the air in your room, the light from your screen. And when you're ready,